Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily delete or remove administrator and standard user in your account in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is, if you think this video is going to be helpful, you can write down below in the comments, so when other people will come here they will say like, okay, it's worth it to watch this video. So what you want to do is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Go to Control Panel. So I will write search, Control Panel. Open it, and right here what you're gonna do is simply user accounts, and here you're gonna have like user accounts, and then right here you can simply manage another account, and here you would have like the account, settings, and then you would like remove it right here. So it's pretty straightforward and it's like pretty simple. When you have like second account, right here when you would click, it's going to be like delete. I don't have second account, but this is where you would find it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.